Here's a short look at the end-of-line bell mechanism on a Remington Mark II made in Holland. I'm going to slide the margin across rather than moving the whole carriage so you can see what happens. The margin trips this little black lever on the top. That activates the bell, which is spring-loaded. It jumps, the hammer jumps to hit the bell, and then it pops back into rest position. So that little hook on the left edge of the margin needs to hit. And then it goes a little further, of course, you're at the end of the line. But this black piece here is spring-loaded, so in one direction it trips the bell, and the other direction it just snaps and falls back into position. So there's a little spring on that piece as well. Now this is with all the covers off. You can see the top part of this mechanism by simply removing the cover of the carriage, but you've got to extract the whole machine from the typewriter to see everything at work. Hope this helps.